So now let's talk about the Oukitel WP61 Plus, which is among the devices announced at the IFA 2025 Berlin event. Now the WP61 Plus will launch in October as well as the Oukitel WP60, and it's going to be very affordable according to Oukitel. Now in terms of features, the WP61 Plus packs a 20,000 mAh battery and it supports 45 watts fast charging. The device is rugged, built tough, and even comes with extras like a 2-watt walkie-talkie, a camping light, and a loudspeaker. For performance, it runs on MediaTek Dimensity 7025 octa-core 5G processor with up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB of onboard storage. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP main camera, an 8MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens, plus a 32MP selfie shooter. The phone is expected to ship with the Android 15. I don't know if it's going to get the Android 16 or not, but it's most likely going to be stocked with the Android 15. Now, the device is expected to feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, OTG. It's a rugged phone, so it's going to be rated IP68 and IP69K. It's also going to be military-grade standard 810H certified, which means it's going to be waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and drop-proof. Other features like NFC and so on are all going to be supported. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP61 Plus. As I mentioned earlier, it's going to launch on the 15th of October and it's going to launch for a very affordable price. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.